Welcome to Bestuseful Tips. Here I will show you how to stop app using more battery in stock Android 11. Pull down notification panel at the top. Tap on a setting gear icon. Tap on a battery. Tap on a three vertical dots at top right corner. Tap on a battery usage. Here you can see list of app battery usage since full charge your device. Select the app you want to disable app background data. Here we select Chrome. Tap on a background restriction. Restrict app to save battery. Stop Chrome from using battery in the background. Tap on a restrict. Now you can see restricted Chrome from using background data in your device. You can also other options see battery optimization. Here you can optimize battery. All apps, select apps you want to optimize or don't optimize battery in your device. It's quite easy to remove restriction. Tap again background restriction. Tap on remove. Now app can use battery in the background. It's quite easy to stop apps from draining battery in background in your stock Android 11 or all pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.